I'm showing you how you can add frame to your Facebook profile picture. So let's get started. But before getting into the video, here is some intro about our channel. Our channel Noteartener is a tech tutorial channel, and here we upload daily how-to tutorial videos bringing solutions of the problem that you are facing on your internet journey. So you can join our community by subscribing and pressing the bell icon to get free access of our unlimited content of interesting and knowledgeable tech videos like this one. Now let's get started. Firstly, what you need to do, you have to open your Facebook app, and then what you need to do, you have to log into your account, then tap on the three horizontal lines you can see in the top right corner. After that, tap on see your profile option. When you tap on that, then you come to your profile page, and here you can see your profile picture. So here you can see in my case there is no frame in my profile picture. So to add frame to your profile picture, simply tap on your profile picture. Here you can see, and then you can see all these options, and then from here tap on the add frame option. You can see the first option, and when you tap on that, here you can see all the popular frames. So to get more options, you can simply tap on the see all button here in the bottom, and here you can explore many more frames that you can add to your profile picture. So you can choose any of the frames from this available list. After that, simply tap on the frames to add this, and then you will see it will load for some time. And after that you can simply tap on the save button in the top right corner to save all the changes. And when you go back to your profile, then here you can see you have added a frame to your profile picture. So that's it, that how you can do that. If you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. If you still have any queries, you can ask it in our comment section. So that's it, that how you can do that.